Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm super excited to give you a closer look at this absolutely stunning camper that brings together classic design and modern comfort in the best way possible. Right off the bat, the exterior grabs your attention with its smooth matte gray finish and vintage silhouette. It's got that iconic retro van look with rounded corners, chrome hubcaps, and a sleek, low-profile body that just feels timeless. The vibe is pure nostalgia with a fresh twist. And check out that wooden sliding door. It adds a cozy, cabin-like touch that sets this camper apart from the rest. Now, stepping inside, the warmth of this camper immediately hits you. Everything from the soft lighting to the wood-paneled cabinets makes it feel like a tiny, rustic home on wheels. There's a calm, inviting glow that makes you want to just sink into the cushions and never leave. The craftsmanship here is seriously impressive. Every piece of wood, every fixture feels intentional, solid, and thoughtfully placed. You've got a compact but functional kitchenette with a stove, sink, and a built-in fridge. It's small, sure, but it's designed to make the most of the space. Whether you're brewing coffee in the morning or heating up dinner after a long day of hiking, it does the job perfectly. There's also plenty of storage tucked into every corner, drawers, shelves, even underseat compartments, so you can pack everything you need without the clutter. The seating area works double duty as both a lounge and sleeping space. It's surprisingly roomy, and with the soft wood tones and smart layout, it never feels cramped. This setup is perfect for solo travelers or couples who want something mobile and cozy without giving up comfort. Now let's talk about the price. This camper usually falls somewhere between $38,000 to $48,000, depending on the specific build and customization options. And honestly, for a handcrafted camper that blends vintage style with modern functionality, that's a pretty fair range. You're getting not just a vehicle, but a mobile retreat that's ready for weekend getaways or full-time van life. So, what do you think? Would you hit the road in this retro modern dream camper? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more camper reviews, road trip tips, and everything in between. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.